Hello everyone, coming up with another program which is a menu driven program relating to the various operations that can be performed in an array like reversing the elements, finding the maximum number that exist in the list or maybe in an array, then sum of all the elements, searching for a particular element within the array and finding the average of all the elements. Again, it is a menu-driven program, so depends upon the choice that which program will be executed. If choice 1 is entered, the array will be reversed. Displaying the definition of the first function, that is reversing the array. First, we will input all the elements separated by a space, and the split functions basically identifies the space and makes it a converts it into a list that wherever the space is there, the elements will be separated by a comma to create an array. Now, for reversing the array, as explained in the section that we will be using, start, stop, and step value, that is start by default will be 0. Stop by default will be the end of the list, and stepping is by -1, that is, it will reverse the array. Now, if the choice is 2 is entered, it will call the second function, that is finding the maximum or the highest element in the array. Again, the max function is used and it is displayed on the screen. Once the max digit is found, it is stored in the maximum variable and that maximum variable is displayed. If option 3 is entered, the sum of all the elements will be calculated using the sum function. For 4 choice, again we are finding the total number of functions. For fourth option, we are going to enter a digit, and if that digit appears within the elements of the array, it will display that the number is found, otherwise it will display this not found. Next is the finding the average, that is the total sum of all the elements of the array divided by the total number of the digits present in an array. And if we enter the sixth option, it will lead to the exiting of the program using the exit function. And for last but not the least, the main program array is called to execute the complete program. Thank you. Have a nice day.